Hello, this is a summary of our ECE5732 final project. In front of us here we have the MATLAB graphical user interface for our remote operated vehicle controller. So here we have the GUI showing our forward direction, right direction, backwards direction, and left, along with stop. We also display the rover speed, acceleration in the XYZ direction, object distance. So from this GUI we send commands to a base station. The base station has one PIC32 along with one Bluetooth module. The flashing LEDs on the first PIC32 show that our rover is in operating status. So from the first Bluetooth module, we send the command to the second Bluetooth module on the rover. So here we have the rover with the second PIC32 with one motor driver for the rear motors, another motor driver for the front motors. On the board we have LED indicators for the distance, we have an accelerometer, and the other Bluetooth module. Also we have the ultrasonic sensor for the distance indications. So now we'll do a demonstration of the motors going, of the vehicle moving.
Alright, moving forward.
So moving forward.
Stop.
Stop command.
Turn left.
Left.